In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Squarespace domain to Google Sites step by step in this full 2025 guide. If you've built your website on Google Sites but already own a domain through Squarespace, this tutorial will help you connect the two perfectly without confusion or errors. So stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. First, log into your Google Sites account and open the site you want to connect. Click the settings gear icon, then go to custom domains. Choose start setup, and when asked, select use a domain from a third-party provider. Now, type in your Squarespace domain name and hit next. At this point, Google Sites will give you some DNS records that you need to add inside Squarespace, so keep that window open. Next, log into your Squarespace account and head over to domains. Select the domain you want to connect and click DNS settings. Here's the key part. Add a CNAME record for your WW version and set the destination to ghs.googlehosted.com. Then check if Google Sites also requires domain verification. If it does, copy the TXT record provided by Google and add it under the TXT section in your Squarespace DNS settings. Once everything's saved, go back to Google Sites and click Verify or Connect. It may take a few minutes for the connection to update, but once it's done, your Squarespace domain will successfully point to your Google site, making your site look professional with your custom web address. And that's it. You've just linked your Squarespace domain to Google Sites in minutes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and share it with someone who's setting up their website too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.